Hello, please join our new agency. I stepped down from our last agency, Nova, but I'm having a new one. It's called Apex. You need to add this symbol. That's the symbol that's on my name right now. In your name, please join. We're gonna try and get to the top 50. We're gonna get the top 100, top 50. Please join the Apex. Please join the Apex agency, and I'll tell you the code. It's 081068. Wait, 0810669118. Please join the agency. Add the symbol that you see on screen right now. Please join the agency. You won't regret not joining. This will be a top agency one time. We will make it to the top. We will become the #1 agency one day. But it takes time. But